All right, so after you've decided on the foot pedals, now we're going to attach the rope to the capstan. So we want to go over this roller. The big roller here must always hit that roller, underground or overhead. I'm going to feed the rope on the low side of the capstan to prevent crossover. That's why it's low, to prevent crossover. I initially like to put 2 wraps of rope on my capstan and start my puller. Once it starts slipping, remove your foot from the foot switch, put another 2 wraps on there, start again. If it starts slipping again, put another 2 wraps. This rope operates a lot differently than your double braided rope you're used to. You can wind it all the way up, you won't have a problem. Now we're going to make our wire pull. This is the Southwire 9/16" quick rope. It's rated for our 3K puller, our 6K puller, and our 10K puller. So only 1 rope is all you need.